Hello and welcome back to Solo Trip. This time I'm gonna explore flights in lockdown. So I flew from Indore to Bangalore and I'm gonna share my experience with you all. So आज तक मैंने जितने भी ट्रिप लिए थे इट वॉज फॉर वेकेशन और हॉलीडेज और सम स्पेशल ओकेजन लाइक माई बर्थडेज और एनीथिंग. बट इस बार जब 2 महीने के बाद मैं धार से बैंगलोर पहुंची हूँ और इस समय मैं मेरे भाई के घर पे हूँ एंड आई एम अंडर एक्चुअली होम क्वारंटाइन. और इस ट्रिप का एक्सपीरियंस एक्चुअली बहुत डिफरेंट था. तो जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, मैंने इसके पहले भी मेरे सारे व्लॉग्स में बताया था दैट आई वाज इन धार इन एमपी एंड द मेमोरीज देयर वर अमेजिंग. लाइक बहुत ही प्यारी जगह थी. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई कुडंट गो एंड एक्सप्लोर एनीथिंग इन धार एंड नियर बाय धार. ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द कर्फ्यू एंड लॉकडाउन आई वाज जस्ट इनसाइड माय हाउस. मैं शायद 2 या 3 बार ही घर से बाहर निकली थी कुछ सामान लेने के लिए या सिर्फ एक ड्राइव के लिए, बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग इन दोज 2 months. Like people who know me know that I am such an extrovert. I like meeting new people and I love going on drives and everything. But all of a sudden when this lockdown happened, I was mentally at least I was trapped. I was trapped कि अभी मैं घर पे हूँ and it was very very difficult for me to be at home and be calm and be sane. खैर अभी जो हुआ वो हो गया. Fortunately, I got this flight from AirAsia and a big gratitude and shout out to team AirAsia who was super alert, super active and they took care of everything, took care of all the precautions and took all the measures for safety of all the passengers. तो परसों रात में I reached here in Bangalore and if you can see this stamp, 2 दिन हो गए हैं. I tried removing it, मतलब नहाते समय या कुछ, I just use soap and water and everything, but this is still here and I got this stamp like granted entry in Karnataka. So yes, now I'm in home quarantine. I'm not actually going out of my room and I'm using a personal washroom here, like separate, which no one else uses. I'm keeping my dishes and everything separate so that because of me, my family or brother's family, they don't get infected, or it's just good to maintain some social distancing at least for 14-15 days. So that's what I'm doing right now. धार से इंदौर आप कुछ 2 घंटे में पहुंच जाते हो. मेरी फ़्लाइट कुछ 5:30 की थी, तो आई रीच समवेयर अराउंड 3:30 to 3:45 एंड द मोमेंट यू रीच एयरपोर्ट दे आर गोना सैनिटाइज ऑल योर लगेज, योर चेक इन बैग, योर हैंड बैग. उसके बाद वंस यू एंटर द एयरपोर्ट यू नीड टू हैव a Xerox of your boarding pass so that they can scan and get your details. The moment you will enter the airport, you have to get your temperature check, your pulse check, and then as usual आप जाओगे, आपका जितना भी check in baggage है वो scan करेंगे. They are gonna give you the slip so that आप आपके luggage पे बांध पाओ. They are not gonna touch anything. The staff is not gonna touch anything. Once you have checked in your luggage, once you have the tag for your handbag and everything, you can just proceed to the gate. The moment you will actually go for the security check-in, you again have to show your boarding pass, you have to go through the temperature check. Everything will be sanitized at every step and उसके बाद आप जैसे ही गेट पे पहुँचोगे, AirAsia staff, like my flight was from AirAsia, so the airline staff will hand over this safety kit and जिसमें आपका एक face shield होगा, there will be a mask and sanitizer and this soap which you can use whenever you want to.
So that's how you travel from Indore to Bangalore in lockdown. And I just wanted to share that now this is how you travel. Please don't step out if it is not necessary. But my situation was that I had to travel. So I'll keep you posted how it went.
So एक बार आपने face shield पहन लिया, you are all covered and you are proceeding towards the boarding gate. Then the staff will again check the temperature and will check that you have Arogya Setu, and if you are coming to Karnataka, there is additional app called Seva Sindhu app where you need to register yourself so that you have a e-pass that is like a entry ticket to Karnataka, and they will check that and then you can just proceed for your boarding. So once you board the flight, you will actually see कि जितना भी उनका staff है, they have like wraparounds around themselves. They will give you instructions to how to be safe and how to maintain social distancing even when you are getting to your seat, and they will take care that you are maintaining distance and everything. और एक और चीज़ थी, जैसे मेरे पूरे फ्लाइट में I guess there were not more than 35 to 40 passengers, like on every one deck जहाँ पे 3 सीट होती हैं उसमें सिर्फ एक पैसेंजर अलाउड था. Throughout the flight we were getting instructions to keep on sanitizing our hands and not to remove the face shield. It was super hot of course, but it was for the good, so I at least maintained कि कितना भी गर्मी लगे या कुछ भी हो, so I didn't remove my face shield. And yeah, then after 1.5 hour flight I reached Bangalore and I had a sigh of relief. So finally, once I reached Bangalore airport, the moment we entered there were crew members who were helping to actually maintain distance, and there was portals जहाँ पे आप जा करके सेवा सिंधु ऐप अगर आपने रजिस्टर नहीं भी किया है तो they will make sure that you are registered there. They have their laptops and everything. They just need your Aadhaar card so that they can verify all the details, and they will need a designated place address जहाँ पे आप जा करके stay करने वाले हो and where you are actually gonna go and get yourself quarantined. उसके बाद आप जैसे ही आगे प्रोसीड करोगे तो अगेन दे विल चेक योर टेम्परेचर, दे विल चेक योर पल्स एंड दे विल चेक दैट यू डोंट हैव एनी सिम्टम्स. So once you get all your tests and everything done and you get this stamp done, you can actually exit. There are facilities with sanitized cab. Ola is active, Uber is active, so you can book cabs from there, and yeah, you can reach to your designated place.
I have reached Bangalore in my luggage.
So I hope my experience will help you actually planning your future trips, and but still I will insist कि अगर कोई emergency case नहीं हो या कुछ ऐसी आपके पास emergency नहीं है तो please be at home, stay safe, stay home and stay tuned on solo trip.